Hello Facebook, hello YouTube. I'm recording this video because people ask what sort of help do we give in our Ninja trading group. So I'll just share something with you that we've done today. And maybe you'll see a bit more. Let's share screen. So earlier on I was looking for a trade and I came across AUD CAD, which I got from the scanner, which I don't actually think I have on. There we go. Do we have the scanner on? Yes, we have the scanner on. So we're very excited about this new Ignite software. And I looked at it on the basis of a harmonic scan. So as you can see, that's on the daily. If I put it on the 1 hour, CAD. That's bizarre. Oh, I see. No, it's fine. No, it's not bizarre. It's all good. So we had a shout out earlier with this trade going down. I missed this one, but there's actually a harmonic scan. And the harmonic scan was on here. Is it still on? Let me see if I can find it. OddCAD, here you go. So it's an older scan, and when you're in the know, once you learn a few little things, you know that the price has gone up. You expect it to come back down and then go back up, right? And there's a way of predicting where that is going to be, right? So earlier on in our group, so here we go. So in the Ninja Forex Traders group, I actually put this in. So Jeff shares stuff, and Kevin shares stuff, and David Cohen shares stuff, and Brian Knight shares stuff. But I actually put here, look, if it's of interest to anyone, OddCAD, and here's my image. So this is the before image, if you like. This is before, and I put about to hit retracement zone, and I was expecting it to come down to this line, possibly down into this line, into this area here, right? So somewhere around here, I'm expecting the price to go and then reverse, okay? So that's before, take a look at that. And then after is where we're at now with the price. I actually got out up here because that's one of the zones you can use to get out. I also have this, and I was going to leave that on in case the price shot up, but I decided I would get out, and I'll show you why I decided to get out. So there's my note, look, about to hit retracement zone. If I can zoom in as much as I can zoom in, we don't need this line on, we don't need that. You don't need to. That's trend line. If you're into Forex, you know what trend line is, it's the basics. So as you can see, it came blooming close here, and it missed it for me. I didn't get in. And when I was doing another trade, I recorded it to show the group exactly how to do it. And somebody and I actually got into this trade on the call, but I just wasn't feeling it, and I closed it out at like minus 2.5 pips, I think it was. So it's basically break even. 2.5 pips is nothing. So anyway, I waited for confirmation because that had just missed, just didn't quite touch my line up. You can see if I do that, you can see that gap, and then look what happened. It actually wicked it in the space of, if I put this on a 1 minute candle. So each of these bars now, candles, is 1 minute. You see, in the space of a minute, it shot down and started coming back up. So I actually got in again, and I put in, there we go, look, there's the actual proof. There's the screen grab of me getting my pips. So why did I get out early? Why didn't I wait, right? Because it sounds ridiculous to do that, to not wait, right? By the way, anyone who's trading gold today, good luck. It's just gone crazy. I showed my group as well how I caught some of this, but I mean, guys, I only got like 1/10 of what was available. Right. So anyway, back to the topic, Paul. Stay focused. Right. So here's my Australian dollar, Canadian dollar trade. So I got the trade from the software. I got the idea from the software. I used the skill of knowing that the price doesn't just go straight up, right? It will go up and it will come down. So it went up and it will come down and it will go up. And this, knowing where it will turn around, in what sort of area it will turn around, is the simple skill. And it's easy. It's just so easy. So I waited for it to come down. I wasn't quite sure, like I say, because it just seemed a bit like it hadn't quite hit it and all that. So I got out of it, break even, nothing wrong with that. When it did this though, yeah, I'm in, right? I'm in. And you can set these as pending orders, so they happen when you don't have to be there. So if I wait for it to come up to here, which I think it will, this trade would be a 1 to 4.6. So that means this red bit here, if the price came down to here, it would close me out and I wouldn't be in the trade anymore. It would stop me and I would have lost money. Okay. So the price came down. The price didn't go anywhere near there, as you can see. And if it had gone all, so if I lost that, I would have lost 1%. And if it goes up to here, I would have made 4.63, but I got out, and I got out of that purple line, just under, back there maybe. So I made, that's a 1 to 3%. Now I can't share with you exactly what I did, right? Because we're not allowed to do with enticing people in and making false claims and stuff like that. But I've shown you the before. There's the before, price about to hit retracement zone. Okay, here's the after, the real actual live chart now. And it never touched the retracement zone, it came away, but sure enough it did. That's how good this stuff is. So these funded accounts, guys, you know, they want you to grow your account by 8%, 10%. You know, I've got pictures of me passing 2 FTMO on the trials and a real one where they gave me like money to trade with. So I've got those, you know, to prove I can do it, but you got to make 8%. Well, there's 3%. You only need 2 more of these and you've passed. So so anyway, guys, that's kind of what we do. And the help for the group, like I say, I gave this in the group. I gave it. Kevin, example of a Ninja Smart Money trade, right? That's David, who's on a Thursday morning. His trade won. Looking for Kevin's. Where's Kevin's? Kevin's is in here somewhere. Kevin was on yesterday. Here we go. Before and after. So when he was analyzing it on the session, he was expecting price to do that. And let's look. Whoops. What happened? Oh yeah, price did that. Okay. It's good. It's good. It's good. There's another one. I expected price to do that, but it did that. Okay. So this is what we do in our group, guys. We are giving you trades on a plate, and Brian drops trades at bankers, just for institutional trading. But I actually don't like that. You're going to think, what? Paul, I want you to give me trades that make money. I actually want you to learn how to be able to do it for yourself. Because if we stop doing live sessions and putting the trades out, you're screwed. I would rather you learn how to do it yourself. And it gets me why people buy signals. I don't really understand why people buy signals. Because you're reliant. Now, I mean, I like to use software. That's different because I'm letting the software do all the hard work for me. Yeah, so they're not signals. What you do with these is you just qualify them. Let's put it on the 1 hour. All you do, let's just go to a random pair, GBP/NZD. Let's see what's happening with GBP/NZD. That can be a bit volatile, so that'd be a good test. Short, go for a sell, entry there, target there, dim, bang, did it. Okay, another one. Entry here, stop loss down there, so I know it would be a buy. Follow the lines back. Where did the line start? Line started here. There's the long, getting for a buy. Straight up, no messing. See why we like this new software? This one lost. Came up there, lost. We lost 1%. NZD, was it all the NZD pairs? So that might be in all the NZD. Short, no, straight down to the target. No strategy, guys, wins all the time, I'll tell you now. Long, that one lost as well. So yeah, it could have been NZD. Oh, NZD CAD and NZD USD. So it's probably something to do with the US. And that could be news, and we teach you to look out for news. So they probably would have been avoidable. Entry, went fairway, lost. Could have got back in there, came down a little bit, went up. What was that, USD JPY? One more, GBP JPY. Short, straight down. Okay, guys, so that's the kind of stuff we do in the group. I'm also doing this NLP for traders to help people really be successful with it. It does involve being part of the Ninja group. They're all going to get it for free, but I'm looking for new members as well at the minute. Feel free to reach out to me if you're interested in that. But there you go, some trades handed to you on a plate, just literally given to you. Telling me you can't do that? All right, catch you later.